Hi, so today I will be talking about the New Look Kids Moisturizing Body Wash. This is in the scent Watermelon. It's a hydrogent and it has like this little cute watermelon on the bottom of it. And then the color scheme is like green and pink. It's so cute, guys. I love using kids products more than I love using adult products, and these are one of the products that I love using the most. Starting off, I don't know if you guys have ever used this brand, but it's one of my favorite brands. It's just like the kids brand, and I honestly, like, ever since I can remember just growing up, like, this was just like a brand that was in our house, whether it was detangular or whether it was shampoo or just even thinking about it, I had so much of this stuff. It was ridiculous. Like, I think my mom literally bought so much of this stuff. It was extremely ridiculous. But we just literally like had so much of this. And now as an adult, since I've gotten older, I just like literally went out on my own and found like what I liked more. But you always like, that's just like, I still get baby wash, and I don't know if that's weird, but I just feel like there's some things you're just gonna be like, it worked so well when you were a child, so why wouldn't it work now? And maybe I'm the only person who thinks like that, but I honestly do think like that. I think that it worked honestly so well for me when I was younger that I just feel like, why wouldn't it work for me now? But this product smells so good. I definitely use this to take baths with. It's my favorite thing to use it for. I love taking baths with this product. Showers, I love showering. I love just like overall like using it. Sometimes I even put a little in my hair when I'm washing my hair because it smells like watermelons. It smells so good. And I'm a big like fiend on the way something is like marketed. And this is marketed so well. Like this little pink bottle with this little green cap, and it's like watermelon scented. That's so cool. That's like really cute to me, and maybe I'm just being like such a child about it, but I think it's honestly so cool. Something else that I think is really cool too is that this is just a brand that I feel like has been there since I was little, and now it's still here. And when you find brands like that, obviously they have to be doing something right because their brand is still around, like people are still buying, so they have to be doing something right. Something else that I can say about a good thing that's about this product is that I literally use this a lot and there's still a lot left in it. So the usage of like, it doesn't run out fast. Even though it kind of looks like a small bottle, I promise you like it will last you a long time. This bottle is like, in comparison of size, it's about the size of probably like a size kids 4 shoe, or like the size of, it's like the length of about a pen or a pencil, and like the width of like a piece of bread, I would say. It really is like, yeah, I'm sorry guys, about the width of like a piece of bread, or like, I'm trying to give a comparison, about a gym shoe size, the width. This product, honestly guys, like in retrospect, is something that I literally like, I don't know why, but I just had to get it because I loved it growing up and now I still love it. But something cool that I can say about this is, and cool things that I use this for, I squirt a little in my laundry sometimes to wash my clothes because it smells so good. And I do this often. Like, I'll take like things that I think smell good and I'll put a little in my laundry to just test it out. But be careful, make sure you're not putting this on your white clothing because it can stain, and I don't want to be held responsible for any of that. And I've done it personally like I've accidentally stained some of my clothes by putting things like liquids that I shouldn't have put in there. So I learned the hard way. Please don't learn the hard way. Though another thing too, and another big reason why I really love using this product is because it is kids product. So they're obviously going to be very careful about what they're putting in the formulas. And since I do have really very sensitive skin, I have to be very conscious about what I'm putting in on my body, and like what I'm using to like wash my body up with and shower with and things like that. And this is honestly so gentle on my skin. It does not like hurt my skin as much as like or it's not as harsh on my skin as much as like other products are. It gives me like a very clean like feeling, and it's just like an all-around good product, guys. Another reason why I really love this product is for this little watermelon. Like, how cute is that watermelon? And like I said, like, I'm a big person on like the way something is marketed, and this is just like honestly such the cutest bottle. I recommend if you have kids, let them try this. If you give your kids baths, squirt a little bit of this in there, it'll make them really happy. Honestly, hands down, one of my favorite body washes, and I am a 21-year-old adult and I still love using this, so it just says a lot. But like I stated before, guys, this is not an expensive product. It's very affordable and it will be worth your monies, trust me. But this is just the new look kids moisturizing body wash. And like I stated multiple times, this is just in the watermelon scent, as you can see right here, because it's a little watermelon. And this is just the 12 fluid ounces one.